Töte, was dich runterzieht.
Du kannst es schaffen! Los geht's!
Nice shirt.
Huh?
Nice shirt.
Oh yeah.
Why are you wearing it?
Japo stole my tour pass.
Stört's nicht.
Anfasste mich. Fucking moron.
What are you doing?
Fucking
Learning the alphabet.
There's a fun fact. Japo plays a solo during sex, which is funny because the name is called sex as well. He plays a solo in the last instrumental part, and we are. We are able to give them information if he did good or bad. So his pedal board can light up. And if he plays bad, we make his pedalboard red. If he